available.
What kind of Benadryl do you need? If I just go get Benadryl for you, what kind of Benadryl? Just the pink box Benadryl? The stuff in the pink box? I'll go get you some. I'll be back. I'm not worried about it.
Voicemail at the tone. Please record your message. When you have finished recording.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. We're gonna go get D some Benadryl real quick. Our mic adapter actually stayed on our helmet this time. Alright, let's go get D some Benadryl real quick. She's a nice lady. She's always hanging out there at the gas station, so let's try to help D out. Sorry about that. The door didn't open all the way.
Turn right.
Drop D off some Benadryl and then we will go home. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're more than welcome. Yeah, don't take too many.
Oh, I know. I can't.
All right. Have a good night, D.
Yeah, thank you.
Doing little things like that. Dee's a nice lady. She's always up there at the Sinclair, and she gets bored, so she goes and hangs out with the ladies up there. Every time I go in there and she's not in there for a couple of days, I'm like, where the heck is Dee? Because I know that she likes to hang out up there. So she just had surgery on her elbows for arthritis, and I think it's just, I don't know if it's just arthritis or arthritis and something else, but but she yeah, she just yeah, she's you know, she's a really nice lady. She likes to talk. So usually I sit up there and talk to her every now and again. I'll sit up there and talk to her for a little while. Don't fall. Don't fall. Oh.
Destination is on your left.
Alright guys, that's it for us for the day. We are done for the day. I will talk to you guys later. Don't mind my trash. We haven't taken that out. It's my fault. We'll see you guys next time. I'm HER MOTO.